already. I made it. So the farm's actually only about, I don't know, 2 minutes, something like that from here to my house. It's not that far at all. Bub beat me. Alright, so the first thing we do when we get here is clean off the dryer and underneath. And Bub's already got that. Basically what it is all of this stuff is just spines, beeswings, and if you can see the corn in there, all that crap falls out and then it just lays everywhere. Well, if that stuff gets wet, it stinks and it's awful to clean, so we gotta shovel it. So we got the beeswings out from the dryer, but then the beeswings actually fall into here. This was full of them, and then we hook it up, pull it around, and then we dump them both. You got the pan? Dang. I had it up there and I was gonna help pull it. Alright, let's outsmart it. Alright. Do what it's used for.
Pretty much.
Force ourselves to do a lot of work. Alright, ladder off.
Yeah, we just need that
scraper. Get the scraper. I wonder if I still have one. I don't know. Right, Bob?
Yeah. That's against the wall. It's against the wall.
So then you open it up. Been caught.
You can't make evidence.
What evidence is there?
You can't do this to me.
Is that what it is?
That way if we see him.
You know. Yep.
You quit that crap.
Alrighty, now you can see what we got left. And then we scrape the rest out. No. Dude, just that right there, bub.
That's really
There's
good.
nothing. Well, there was no,
That's why we do that.
Yep. It's more better that way, or else you gotta get inside of there and do what he's doing right there, except you're inside scraping. That's miserable. That's just dumb. Professional. Close her down, bub.
Boom.
Oh. Ah. I'm gonna need 2 hands to do this. And we dumped the little dump truck. Then we're done. Look at that thing, man. Some alien walking around. Just got off school and got here, and man, Bub made a nice spill. Easy when you're loading, bub. You're supposed to go in the truck, not out. I think John's gonna say something about my flashy light
Oh, he's gonna say something.
that I forgot was on.
We gotta predict it. Come on, don't let us down, Johnny. You got that flashy light on. Look, I just seen it. Come on, your eyes, whatever you gotta say.
Let's see if he reaches for the mic.
Let's see. Hold.
I think he...
Find a place, baby.
Oh, what?
What? He didn't say nothing about my light.
Epic fail. Oh, he threw us for a loop on that one.
Yes, he did.
Man.
Dude,
Old boy just washed his windows, man.
he just washed his windows. He's gonna put the auger out and dust it.
It always puts a little dusty sprinkles.
Oh,
It
boy.
always
Oh,
puts a little dusty sprinkles.
oh, you're gonna miss it.
No, I'm not. You see that? That was good.
That was really good.
That was good.
You always gotta have a little fun around the farm. So this here will be the last load that will go to Sunrise. Because they close at 7. It is 6:32, I think is what I seen on my phone. Bub's a professional. He ain't even got a steer, nothing. Locked on.
No, that's not good. That's not good. I got nothing. I really got nothing.
It's kind of spread.
I got nothing.
Well, we're headed to load the truck. This will be the last truck that'll head to Sunrise. Then what are we gonna do? Fill. When they come back, we'll probably fill both trucks, send them to the farm, and fill a cart and be done.
Yep. Did you have his charger in your truck?
Yeah, I should have told him it's in my truck.
We should get in the freaking dump.
What's that?
I said we should get in the dump easy. We're right over me.
900. Alrighty, y'all. So we take it here. This is the cooperative, and we got our weighed back there, and so they know how much. They weigh you when you come in to know how much you got on, and then you weigh as you go out, so they know how much corn you had and give you that amount. We'll pull up to this pit, we'll start dumping, and then they send it to whatever bin that they got open that they want corn in. So as you can see, corn drops from in here as he opens the bottom of the hopper. She unloads pretty quickly, and then we'll move forward and he'll get the next hopper. Put her line right up on the goddamn road. Full. Here he comes. You was shooting it over the tarp because as I walked on that other side of the trailer, it was hitting me in the face.
Yep, this dry stuff, it's splashing real bad off those straps. And I can't change that.
Keep going. Go till she overfills. You want a shovel, don't you? Correct. Hit your windshield wiper, bud.
Yes, sir.
There we go.
Oh, look at the difference.
Oh my gosh, it made none.
LOL.
You need to wash it.
I do?
Yeah. Alright, here. Alrighty, this is the last load of tonight. So if you guys noticed in my last video, when we was running beans and then there was corn before that, if you see the difference, we're not putting it to the straps. It won't go to the straps. So this is a drier corn. This is 16% compared to what was we, like 22%? Yeah, so we was running like 22%. And the wetter the corn, the more it piles up. Well, this is 16%, and instead of pile, it wants to slide. Well, you see the tarp way over there. 16%, you can't even run full bore. Bub's actually got the slide not even halfway open because it just wants to slide. And if you go full bore, it'll, in fact, it won't even pile, it'll just shoot over. Well, it helps if you shut the bottom. We spilled corn. As we was dumping, we forgot to close the gate, and it spilled everywhere. That's not good. I'll try to get on the other side. Yeah, she's a mess.
Yeah, we're close.
Yep, that needs a skid loader. That's too much. We can't shovel that. That's a little bit better view of how big the mess is. Sorry, Bub, if I'm in your way. But John put enough on that we could still get a full load, but man, we're gonna have to get a skid loader. Alrighty, guys. So our ticket, we had, let's see here, 55. It was our test weight, which is low. It should be around like 58, something like that, and 18% moisture. So she was pretty low this time. But we're back at the field and we're still moving. Bub's loading us.